Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a little bit different because what I am going to share with you today is regarding the OFW mandatory insurance. So I just would like to share with you on how I got my insurance policy as easy as it can be. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. So just a disclaimer guys, I am not directly affiliated with any insurance company, specifically with the Paramount Insurance in the Philippines. So I am just trying to share my personal experience on how I got my policy sa pinakasayon nga paagi. Right. So if you are going to check it out sa DOLI, sa Department of Labor and Employment website, it says there sa ilahang news last March 13, according to Secretary Bello, better OFW protection via expanded insurance. So it says there that overseas Filipino workers are assured of greater protection amid global health crisis with the expanded compulsory insurance coverage for rehires or balik manggagawa and direct hires. So, compulsory na siya ang insurance coverage for Filipino overseas workers. According to the Secretary, the pandemic has left our migrant workers vulnerable to various risks and perils. So by expanding the compulsory insurance coverage, we aim to extend the protection to all OFWs at no cost to our workers. The mandatory insurance coverage or OFWs provided for under existing laws and PUEA rules and regulations shall now include rehires, or balik manggagawa and direct hires. So the guidelines are spelled out in PUAA Memorandum Circular Number 10, signed by PUAA Administrator Bernard Olalia. The insurance policy shall be effective for the duration of the migrant workers' employment contract and assures coverage in case of death, disability, repatriation, medical emergency, and litigation. So, right here guys, nag-check ako sa Google for the insurance company kay nakabasa magud ko somewhere sa katong news from the mandatory ng atong insurance for OFW. So, it says here sa pagsud nako sa Paramount Life and General Insurance na website, there is a POAA advisory that says reminding recruitment agencies and all returning Filipino workers or balik manggagawa to register via bmonline.ph or by submitting the following required documents. First, ang passport valid at least 6 months from the date of intended departure. Second is valid and appropriate visa or work permit. Then the third one is the certificate of insurance coverage, similar to the benefits provided under the mandatory insurance coverage contained in Section 37-A of Republic Act 8042. So, to the administration or to the Philippine Overseas Labor Officers or POLOs as prerequisites for the issuance of the Overseas Employment Certificates or OEC. So, wala taning mga requirements 1 to 3, it means na dili ta ma-issuehan og OEC. So, kaybaw naman ta ng OEC is very important for us nga igmuuli ta sa ato sa Pilipinas or mubalik ta, pwede mata makakuha og OEC from our place of kanang work abroad or it depends, pwede sa dito sa ato ta makakuha og OEC. But then, bottom line, OEC is required at all. So, let me just walk you through because I myself, I'm not from Paramount Life and General Insurance. I just availed gikan ani and I was just amazed with their service kay pas jud kaayo. I was like applying it for only like 1 day and na-approve siya as long as kompleto ang inyong mga requirements. So, Na mo ni siya ang nakabutang diri nga mga products, features, coverage, and inclusion. So naata diri mga natural death at with at least $10,000, survivor's benefit, accidental $15,000, naatay disability benefit, repatriation benefit, transport of OFW back to the Philippines, dead or alive, including personal belongings, na subsistence allowance benefit of $100 per month for a maximum of 6 months as awarded to the OFW. If OFW is involved in a case or litigation in the receiving country. So, muna siya mga features or coverage, mga inclusions. Ang eligibility ani when you are going to apply at Paramount Life and General Insurance for client age 21 to 55. So within this age range, siya must be in good health, of course, for agency hired migrant workers, land-based or sea-based, and returning overseas Filipino workers or balik manggagawa with a valid employment contract and valid working visa or permit. And how to apply? Easy busy ra kay ni siya guys ang pag-apply. Just go to kanang online kani sa ilang website and naay form dito, you just have to fill it out. And then upload the following: passport with photo and signature, working visa or working permit. And then after that, maka-receive mo emails if na-approve na ba ang imuhang insurance application. Then that's the time nga mubayad ka. You have to pay your premium through credit card or over the counter or online through our website. So daghan kay silang mga payment options, but the most easiest one is payment through online. No, aron dili na ka mo adto-adto pa mo bayad mo linya or whatever. So you can use your credit card or debit card. So ATM or credit card is okay for the payment. Now, once maka-receive ka ato nga email, tagaan kanila reference number. So after that, mo to imo gamitin to pay. And then after ma-receive nila ang payment, maka-receive na sa another email for your certificate of insurance. So that's the end of that process. So dali ra jud kaayo ni siya guys. Sayon ra kaayo. So I was just amazed how fast the All right guys. So if you will go to their website, naa na diri sa how to apply na ay number 1, apply online. So i-click ra na siya nimo. And then i-add to kanya sa laing window that says how did you learn about Paramount. So ansira na siya nga nimo. Next is naa siya personal information. So imo siyang i-upload imong passport, then of course imong names, the last name, first name, middle name, and then address in the Philippines, and gender, place birth, and also after next ani is employment information. So naa dito yung nature of employment, type of package, of course, so balik manggagawa kag rehired, and term of employment, insurance start date. So naay note diri kay basig daghan ang maliban ani siya kaning diri dapita, make sure that the employment dates you input match the contract date indicated in the working permit or visa. So i-check nimo ang imong residence permit, kato nga mga dates mao to siya imong i-input nga ri, not the employment kanang contract nimo itself. So of course ang kaning number of months nga ri automatic ra ni siyang mo generate according to the data nga imong gi-input diri sa imong working permit or visa. Then passport number ana siya. So then you have to upload your passport, working visa, employment contract. Then occupation nimo, estimated salary and currencies, foreign employer, employer address, city, town, and then after that move on na pud ka sa next na window until ma-completed nimo siya. So easy ra kay ni siya. You just have to fill out lang jud sa imong mga personal details and all. And then email for the acknowledgement of your application. and then another email for the approval of your application. And after that, you can receive an email for payment request and with the reference number, of course, stated above. And this is the final email that you receive stating that your policy is now in force, and you will get a copy of the insurance policy and receipt of your payment. So that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. Hope you like it, and if you did, please don't forget to click the like button and drop your comments for any questions or clarifications. And by the way, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you on my next one. Have a great day, everyone.